Hello, my name is Sam. Today, I'm here to help you learn the alphabet in a super fun way. We're going to use objects and animals for each letter. This way, it's easier to remember, and you'll also learn about many new things. Let's get started.
A is for apple. Apple. Repeat with me, A. B is for bee. B. Try saying B. C is for cat. C, cat. Let's say it together. C. D is for dog. D, dog. Repeat after me. D. E is for elephant. E, elephant. How about E? F is for frog. F, frog. Say it with me. F. G is for guitar. G, guitar. Can you say G? H is for horse. H, horse. Let's say it. H. I is for iguana. I, iguana. Try saying I. J is for jacket. J, jacket. Let's say it together. J. K is for koala. K, koala. Let's say it together. K. L is for lion. L, lion. Let's say it together. L. M is for monkey. M, monkey. Let's say it together. M. N is for notebook. N, notebook. Let's say it together. N. O is for octopus. O, octopus. Let's say it together. O. P is for penguin. P, penguin. Let's say it together. P. Q is for queen. Q, queen. Let's say it together. Q. R is for rabbit. R, rabbit. Let's say it together. R. S is for snake. S, snake. Let's say it together. S. T is for tiger. T, tiger. Let's say it together. T. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. Let's say it together. U. V is for violin. V, violin. Let's say it together. V. W is for whale. W, whale. Let's say it together. W. X is for Xerus. X, Xerus. Let's say it together. X. I is for yak. Y, yak. Let's say it together. Y. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Let's say it together. Z.